everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 30th of January to the 30th of February 2023. This week is the final week of the river season 5, and the guys know kushubile kakhulu. Ulala is fighting for his life in hospital, and Lindiwe is all over looking for Mabuto with the gun. And on the other side, Paulina is also looking for Angelina with a gun. It's gonna be a week to remember. Well guys, let's get back to the tears on Monday. Familiar Fugitive. Things get complicated fast for Familiar Fugitive while Zulani is on the prowl on Tuesday. Angelina Sparali, while the Lopez chooses themselves over everything on Wednesday. Lindiwe is in a dark place while Bukosi plots another crime on Thursday. Lindiwe find religion while both the Mukwenes and Paulina inch closer to what they both want. Kwezi realizes there is no avoiding her past on Friday. The shop has struggled with Kwezi's news, and Paulina decide to go after what hers. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.